schools may be closed, but the driving academy's opened. I don't know. That's really bad, right? That's really bad. Hi. We're here to drive this RC car today. This is really nice looking. It's got a brushless motor. It's 4-wheel drive. It is an on-road car, which we do not traditionally do on our channel. It's got not drift tires, but nice rubber tires with foam inserts. You know, these are nice and soft and squishy. This is a brand that I know and love. It is one of the biggest debates in our household for RC. This is a ZD Racing brand RC. I like them. I think they come in at a good budget price. Abby says, not so impressed. So it's still 50-50, but I will say the last couple ZD Racing things you've had your hands on, you've liked, we've mutually agreed to keep. So I hope this falls right in line with that too. The cool thing about this vehicle is if you check it out in the link below, you get white. There's also a yellow version. There might be a third color, I can't remember, but there's
I only saw 2.
Okay, I like the looks of this. Now the downside to a car like this is that you're limited pretty much to run on asphalt, maybe some light gravel. Unfortunately, because of everything that's closed, we only have access to this asphalt area right now, but we should have a lot of fun. It comes completely ready to run. This is a 10th scale vehicle, ready to run under $200, and I love that. You get a really nice radio. This is the ZD Racing radio that we see now with all of our RCs. I like it. It does a good job. All the trim functionalities under this panel here. It comes with a nice 2S hard case LiPo battery with a Dean's plug, but it's also 3S capable. So we're going to drive it. I think maybe we'll do a speed test first and then just kind of drive it around for fun, because this really is one of the first on-road cars, like a touring car, that Abby and I have ever owned. So I'm excited. I'm excited for a new experience. Let's go. Well, this is hobby grade. I probably shouldn't have to say it, but it's fully proportional. So, you know, the steering and the throttle is proportional. We can drive nice and slow if we want to. We can steer wide or sharp if we want to. It's a hobby grade vehicle. This is the first hobby grade on-road vehicle we've had. I had to trim up the steering a little bit. Steering trim is the top left one here. It's unlabeled. Top left knob. Here we go. Feels pretty good. So this is the stock 2S battery that's in here. That's fast. Wow. Yeah, okay.
It claimed 55 kilometers an hour on the website. So what is that, about 35 miles an hour? Probably, yeah.
That feels really good.
Feels pretty good for that little guy.
And I was expecting it to roll more when I take the turns. There's a little sliding in the gravel. Let's see what we hit. Let's see what we got. That's 47 kilometers an hour. It's close.
It'd probably hit 55 with a 3S battery.
Oh, easily. Let's do a couple more passes and then we'll throw in a 3S battery. Here's full throttle and full trigger right here. Sounds pretty good. It looks really good. I like the on-road car. It's nice. You want to give it a shot, Abby?
Of course. Well, I'll wait till 3S.
Yeah,
I'll wait till 3S.
All right.
Okay, it is at 47 still.
Okay.
If that'll focus. I don't know if you guys can see that. 47.
All right, when we switch out the battery, I'll show you guys the inside. As you guys can see, it's a really nice low chassis. I mean, there is very little ground clearance. You basically have to run this on asphalt or super small gravel or something. I love the shocks. Look at this. It's just so unique compared, look how short they are and just very little movement compared to our traditional like monster truck style. But it's a nice brushless motor mounted in the back here. Here's our on-off switch with an ESC with a heat sink and fan on top. Steering servos right up front. Basically the same layout as a short course truck. Here's our receiver in this waterproof box. I do think you could splash this through some water and not really have anything to worry about. Let's see if this fits in pretty well. So from 2S to 3S.
So it comes with the 2S battery, but that's our own 3S.
Yep, and it's just a nice cheap one that we got with another ready to run vehicle, probably like our what were those, the V-Car Bisons and stuff. I think those came with 3S batteries.
It said JLB right on it, so it's our JLB Cheetahs.
There you go, yeah, you're right.
All right, 3S.
I have a feeling it's going to go way faster than the 55 kilometers an hour.
Are we going to race this truck or something?
Well, yeah, let's do it. Here we go.
Oh man,
Woo,
that
is a
screamed.
rocket.
You didn't even hit peak speed on that.
Not at all. We're gonna let this truck go by and then we'll see if we can really get peak speed on this. Well, I can give you a little sneak peek. That's 67 kilometers
Oh
an
man!
hour. That's fast.
That's crazy.
This might be the cheapest, fastest thing that we own.
I think
Under $200, pushing really close to 70. Let's see if we can get
because-
70.
Oh my gosh.
That's gotta be top speed.
Our
That is so
fastest
fast.
off-brand, like China brand car is the JLB Cheetahs. They're like our
Look, look, look.
fastest.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I lost control there. We got 69.
69, nice. That's
Wow.
crazy. I did not expect that. I'm
didn't
so
either.
excited.
So this thing really woke up on a 3S pack. Abby, you gotta ease into the juice, and it does slip and slide more than our traditional heavy
Right.
monster trucks. Because this is lightweight in comparison, if you hit any gravel at all, it wants to slide. So just be ready to ease off on the throttle. Here we go. Woo!
That thing books it.
Yeah,
Look
there's
at that
a
gravel patch.
lot of gravel out there, so it slides around.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is gonna be fun to bash with.
Well, let's see if we can hit 70. If you can beat me. Range is amazing on this too. Wow. I knew you'd be the one to roll it. I knew
I
it.
did it.
Okay, so Abby got down to the car and she laughed when she saw it. I'm guessing it hit 70. She's gonna drive it up. I'm sure it hit 70, but I say that skews the results when you wreck. Of course, she hit 70. So let's do this to even the odds. I'll give her 70 if she can hit it again. But I say, and you tell me what you guys think, not average speed. Come on, buddy.
You're wrong about that, by the way.
I say when you wreck, here I gotta hit
No,
that.
I was slowing down when I wrecked. That measures peak speed at a distance. I was hitting my brakes when that happened.
Well, I told him.
I think I win.
Listen.
You're just being a sore loser.
No. I'm happy to give you 70. The thing is, if you can hit 70, you can do it again.
You know, with the battery performance.
No. You can hit 70. Do it again. You got this. You didn't hit full throttle until you were like right on us.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, and the wind is coming this way, so this should help, having the wind to your back.
Whoa.
Oh.
Alright.
Now I'm sure everyone can see the one little pixel out of the million pixels there. Okay, here we go. That's fast, Abby. I heard you hold full throttle till halfway down the parking lot there, so
How you do it?
bring it back and we'll see if you hit 70. Either way, 65 plus is ridiculously fast. Let's see if we got it. 69.
No!
It was the wreck.
No, it wasn't.
She's gonna go again. You can't just juice it. This puppy, look at it,
Oh,
see?
wait, that's so fun though.
Oh! You're so hard on ground vehicles.
That's the person who's broken over half of them.
69.
Oh, Nate, I got 70. Just admit it.
You did, but I could also get 70 if I threw it off a cliff. So, I don't know.
No, you can't because it measures horizontal speed, not vertical speed.
Horizontal flipping speed means faster. I
don't know about that. It's distance.
I think that when it starts rolling,
No, it's all about from point A to point B, and I was already slowing down before it flipped.
I'd like to know, this is something that we talk about a lot, so you guys let us know in the comments below. Do you think if the vehicle wrecks, it nulls your results? Does it need to be without a flip? Just let us know. Either way, this is ridiculously fast. On the included 2S battery, it's fast. If you're just out driving, having fun, you do not need it to go this quick. When it is going this fast, it's hard to control at those top speeds and you're going to wreck. You saw Abby do it a couple times. Didn't see me do it. Just saying.
Yeah, but I have more fun, so.
I think I had just as much fun not wrecking.
I disagree.
See what this virus is doing to all of us? Just can't even have fun anymore. Well, this car is amazing. I think that we should have picked up something like this. I regret not having something like this for so long now. Although we're limited to this asphalt, if you have an asphalt area that's close to where you live and you can drive, this is a blast. If you had two of these and you were racing and kind of skidding into each other a little bit, this would be so much fun to race together. We may have to pick up the yellow one or look at more on-road cars now. That thing is fun. You like it too, don't you?
Oh yeah.
We'll have it linked in the description box below. Under $200 for ready to run, and that fast is amazing. I think Abby and I are going to get a little creative with some of the spots around here and do a bashing video with this. We're about to have some more fun with it, so we'll have it on the channel probably tomorrow or the day after. Looking forward to that, and I've already got a couple fun ideas to kind of challenge each other, so be sure to tune in for that. Hit the subscribe button. I want to thank God for getting us out here despite all the craziness in the world. I'm just very thankful to be out here driving, even if it is just on an asphalt parking lot. This is where we do our speed tests, and I love it. It just feels normal. Before we go, I also want to say a huge thanks to our patron supporters. The names that are scrolling by right now are some of our top tier patrons, but I want to say thanks to everybody that's decided to support us over there. Thank you guys so much. Before you click away, I think I want to show you our fastest speed test we've ever seen. There's a video popping up right about now. Be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. See you there.
Bye.